Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Seemed to be a lot of interest in how I attach my handles, which were made out of deer antlers, which were these, to the door. What I would have preferred is to had something like this and just tightened it up, but I didn't have anything small enough with the nuts and screws, and with everything going on, I don't want to have to go into town, so I'm using what I got. So what I've used is this sheetrock screw. What I do, I come up from the other side, just come out just a little bit. I've already got two in there right now. And I use a guide, and this is the same measurement. What I did, I measured from the top down 10 3/4 on my door, and I did that on the other side too. And there's a little bit longer going down, but most of your cabinets sometimes have the handles just a touch higher. I was going to put it in the center, but since it's going to be at the very bottom, and with these, I'm starting off with the cabinet doors at the bottom because you have to have a gauge, and that's where you measure everything from to make everything right. So I'll put the cabinet doors on, or at least a space for them. I don't think I have hinges. I've been looking, trying to find some hinges, and I haven't found any yet, but I'll keep looking because I'm going to put two hinges on each door, and I'm going to put them on the outside where it looks more rustic looking, and I may paint them or something brown where they look rusty or something. I ain't got that far yet. But what I do on this, if I think the hole's too big, I'll shave me a little piece of wood. You can use a toothpick too. I use that if I drill out a hole and it's too big. You can pack it with a toothpick and then put your screw in there and it'll hold it tight. What I'll do, I'll drop Gorilla Glue in there, and then I'll go ahead and screw it into this, and I'll use this clamp to hold the handle in place. But what I'll do, I'll turn it upside down. That way that Gorilla Glue doesn't drip going out that way, but it stays within the antler. Now it's going to puff out some, and I'll trim that off. I'm not worried about the puffing. I just want a good grip on there, and this will stay on there. I've already got one on there, but I cut these. These may be off the same deer. But I traded and got a whole trash can full of antlers, but they're the same coloration. And also I'm going to use these on my drawer pulls too, and I think they'll look pretty. I'll spray them with lacquer and just to protect them. But that's how I installed them, and hopefully they'll be there for a while. If not, I'll go back to the drawing board and figure something else out. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.